Good morning, class. In the last class, we did some reading, right? Class masazoka khan reading kan tiro in la sha em. We read these 3 paragraphs. Hemi paragraph pathum hi kan siara, and then we underlined some words. Words chenkat kan underline na, and we spelled them out. Right? Can spell out bukta tiro. Now we will revise this. Can revise le nga. Repeat after me. Katsarzopiang in laut siarula. You will see. Again. You will see fine lines. Again. Fine lines in the shape. Again. In the shape of your finger. Again, of your finger. Next, they are called. Again, they are called fingerprints. Again, fingerprints. Fingerprints. Again, next line, compare. Repeat, compare your partners. Again, your partners fingerprints. Again, fingerprints with yours. Again, with yours. Next, are they, again, are they the same? Again, the same. Then answer yes or no. Again, answer yes or no. In fingerprint and unload one, you will put a tick on no. In fingerprint ka and unload one, no he in tika. Next, let's read again. Nobody has. Again, nobody has the same fingerprints. Again, the same fingerprints. Again, the same fingerprints as yours. Again, as yours. Next, each of your. Again, each of your fingers. Again, fingers have different. Again, have different fingerprints too. Again, fingerprints too. Okay, very good. We have underlined some words. Now we are going to spell them out. Okay, repeat after me. Repeat them. F-I-N-E, fine. L-I-N-E-S, lines. Fine lines. Again, F-I-N-E, fine. L-I-N-E-S, lines. Fine lines. S-H-A-P-E, shape. Again, S-H-A-P-E, shape. Next, Y-O-U-R, your. Y-O-U-R, your. F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. Again, F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. C-A-L-L-E-D, called. Again, C-A-L-L-E-D, called. Next, F-I-N-G-E-R-P-R-I-N-T-S, fingerprints. Again, F-I-N-G-E-R-P-R-I-N-T-S, fingerprints. Next, C-O-M-P-A-R-E, compare. Again, C-O-M-P-A-R-E, compare. Next, we did not underline this in the last class, but we will underline it now. P-A-R-T-N-E-R apostrophe S, partners. P-A-R-T-N-E-R apostrophe S, partners. This is called an apostrophe. Hey, apostrophe. Okay, we will read that again. P-A-R-T-N-E-R apostrophe S, partners. Next, T-H-E-Y, they. Again, T-H-E-Y, they. Next, N-O-B-O-D-Y, nobody. Again, N-O-B-O-D-Y, nobody. Next, S-A-M-E, same. Again, S-A-M-E, same. Next, E-A-C-H, each. Again, E-A-C-H, each. Next, H-A-V-E, have. Again, H-A-V-E, have. This is not joined. This is only separate. Okay. Next, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different. Again, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different. Okay. Now, let's go on to the next part. My favorites. Repeat. My favorites. Kadu berte di nani. My, okay, manya, favorites. Du bert. Du ber. Now, my favorite colors are colors in Shivaka. So, my favorite adult one, if my favorite is included, it means the colors that I like most. Colors kan du berte ka, my favorite colors. Yeah? And what you are going to do is you are going to color the boxes with your favorite colors. Hemi box ho hi in favorite color in colorang. In favorite colors. Pakhat ay tamani too. So, if your favorite color is blue, you will color blue here. You will color this box blue. If your favorite color is also pink, blue, pink, purple. So, you will color this blue, pink, and purple. Color du ber teti na niya tu wangin hemi color ho hi color du ber pathum ka itlang so ka nga chuan box te hi I color ang ta blue ane lo ni blue pink le purple lo ni ta se hemi box hi blue ni color anga hey pink ni color anga hey purple ni color. Okay, next, my favorite foods are, okay, my favorite to kadu ber anita. Foods are food A2. Ka A2 du berte. Tinanya. Suvangin. Here you will draw what foods you like the most. A2 idu ber pathum tahan I draw. Okay, inside the box. Box sunga yan. Now, next, my favorite animals are, okay, my favorite animals are animals to Ramsa kan siya thaw kanya. My favorite kadu bear to Ramsa du bear animals so ka tahan pathum I draw. Okay, you will draw 3. Next, my favorite toys are 2. Toys isha equal to limna. So my favorite and this one, it means idu bear. Idu bear ti nanya. Tahian toys azinga idu bear pathum idrolya. Okay, we are going to do drawing as well as you are going to write all these underlined words in your notebook. Okay, in your notebook. Hemi kan underline words si in notebook in ziak do na he in ziadan tura ni a. Your notebook, in class notebook in let's work nga, you will take out your class notebook and on the top atunga hian right hand side he ding lampanga atunga khan margin hemi margin tunga. You will draw a line in draw payanga. You will write in ziak tur tu in date in ziak do today's date. Okay, we're going to write 2/9 th 29th. And you will write the month July, then you will put a comma in danga, then you will write the year tungku minzia kanga 2020. Now below the margin hemi margin hand line sauka he dot line anya he straight line anya dot line zone hand dot ti kazak zela dot. And what you have to remember is that you are not supposed to write on the dotted line. Dotted line atangin in ziak chantura nilawa. So I'm going to show you how you are going to write in ziadantur karan shaidon tani. I'm just going to write dot for the dotted line. Dotted line zona khan dot ti kazak zel dona sincha theinan. Okay. Now you are going to write on the straight line. Straight line na khan in ziak chananga dotted line na nilawin. Chuan achung bera lesson in ziak do na kami straight line in kara khan L in chuk thak tiranga lian. Chuan dot line na khan dot line thleng khan small letters si dot line thleng bakakal tura nilaw. The small letters will only reach till the dotted line. Chuan big letters khaw ka chu hemi straight line in kara thlengang hei straight line anya straight line he like chu dotted line. Chuan hei small letters so kha dotted line thleng chang kal. Okay, on the top you will write lesson on the left hand side. Lesson in ziak nga chu in underline nga you will write lesson and underline it. See, in between the straight lines. Straight line pa ngai ho in kara khan in ziakang. See, then dotted line thing small letters. I will repeat it. Till the dotted line you will only write the small letters and the big letters are to be in between the straight lines. You will write lesson on the left hand side. Left hand side are lesson in ziakanga. You will underline it. In underline nga you will put a colon. Hey colon nya dot le dot he. So you will put a colon. Chuan in kuzung chang in la nga you will put your forefinger. You put one finger and you will put it next to the colon bulain da anga and you will start writing headline abula chang hian in ziak chanang. He one finger space kantia. This is called one finger space. I inkar all da dan tur kha in kut khanin te donani. You are going to measure how much space you are going to put with your finger. So one finger space zo khan about in zakanga name of the lesson about. So one finger space in the alenga next word me about me khain zakang. So line no dot line oma straight line le ma sabera khan line in draw payang. Okay, there is a dotted line below it, then the straight line you will draw a single line straight line Then ein kara khan oli da lenga chu name of the lesson le line in kara ola see, this is the dotted line. You will put space here, one line space angani chu, and you will put another space below the line in draw nuwa space in da le do na he dotted line na he straight line straight line no han a line cut to ranga la cut to nya chan ami noi le khan he spellings in jak do na you will margin atangin kuzung tang pathum ta nin da anga chumi bula tang chuan he la tang hen in jak chan chawang in sin changa pencilin. This is called the three finger space. Hey, three finger space kan tia chuan you will write spellings and underline it. Spellings ka in ziak anga s lianin chuan in underline ang lesson na po l abikanga a liananga m alian bukang. Then after you write spellings, you will leave one line again, line cut ang kain leave lenga dot line na line. Then you will just below that a straight line dot line omlea straight line omlea ta chuan in ziak chanang underline words ka fine lines in underline na chu in ziak chanang. And you will not start with big letters. Big letter in chan lawanga ming le place hun ming ten ni lo chuan if it is not a human's name or name of a place, you will start with only small letters. Hun ming le mshing ming ani lo chuan small letter te in chanang. So you write fine, then lines ne kan underline do na wangin since we underline both of them together. Fine in zazwa you put one finger space in the anga lines in zaganga, then you put a comma. Okay, so after the comma you put one more finger space, comma zo finger space in the linga as a word dot in underline ka the next word you will write shape. So comma one finger space do adota alen to lo chuan you will leave one space, hey, one line in leave lenga, then you will write your straight line na zia to dot line na zia lo to your the next word chuan comma one finger space, then you write finger, then comma one finger space called, comma hey one finger space in maling to lowa next line you will leave one line chuan hey dota fingerprints, then you put a comma and one finger spacing. Now when I wrote in my book I missed out one word, one word ka miss out to partners dikhanya, that you will write in nangni chuan adikin zia kanga. Okay, hey, this is how you're supposed to write. Okay, now I want you to send a picture of you writing these notes. Hi eng main zia ve ngai lo dot ti hi zia lo in zia ngai lo ne. Okay, you will write out the spellings and then you will take a picture and send it to me, as well as the work you will have done today, the coloring and drawing work. Hemi coloring le drawing work in spellings notebook in zia le hey hemi in color na le in draw na hi thalak in ron thonanga zanin dar ko ma thleng unin ne chu in ngauti don ne. Okay, thank you class.